Another question: what are the common ethical issues in civil engineering? So, before addressing this particular question, we should understand what are the gray areas in civil engineering ethics. That is related to ill defined situations and non conformity to the set of rules. So, once we identify the gray areas, we can start writing the common ethical issues. The first and foremost one is the about the tolerance level towards bribery, corruption, and fraud, and we need zero tolerance. Ethical issues are nothing but ethical dilemmas. So, before writing the further points, we should understand how these ethical issues or dilemmas are addressed by various articles and canons in code of ethics by various agencies. So, articles and canons, if you go through that, we get a good idea on the gray areas or what are the issues. So, the second point is misuse or lack of engineers registration process. So, here the misinterpretation of qualification is an issue, then misleading info in professional cards and business cards, and a proper enrollment exam or test, whether it is existing or not. These are the issues related to the second point. Third point: inflating timesheet hours. The meaning is correct and strict records of manpower and other resource spent in a project shall be properly maintained, and it shall be reported correctly to the client or owner of the project. The fourth one is lack of ethical guidance in involvements related to legislative and regulatory decision making process. Engineers are engaged in this process, so that decision making process they shall be very vigilant and ethically guided. Fifth point is misuse of alcohol and controlled substances at projects. This is also a very big issue. Now, the fourth point, we can see that engineers in government departments, contracting firms, etc., should be who are they are generally involved in decision making process, and they should be in a position to involve in a better manner. So, as regards to misuse of alcohol and other substances, this use of this undermines the engineer's ability to while in project to truthfulness, integrity, and decision making. The sixth point is ignorance on social responsibility. That is, social responsibilities include public safety, quality of work, and environmental protection. So ethical issues or ethical problems or ethical dilemmas, they are situations where a decision suggested or taken becomes controversial. Classical examples are capital punishment and euthanasia, and also we have just now discussed what are the problems related to civil engineering under various heads. To all of these issues or problems, we can see basically there are three complexities. One is the vagueness, that is lack of clarity, that is vagueness. Then conflicting reasons, that is if you take a decision, some points will be conflicting. Thirdly, the disagreement. Disagreement means the various people involved may disagree, or the existing rule may be causing disagreement. So all these three complexities generally arise for any of these particular problems. Now, vagueness, as I told you, it is lack of clarity as to which moral considerations or principles apply to their whatever situations. So, individuals or engineers are not clear about the moral considerations and principles which is applicable to the situation. That is vagueness. Conflicting reasons is a situation where two or more clearly applicable moral principles come into conflict. So this is also called conflict of interest. So rule of ethics or code of ethics will be available, but two or more may clash or conflict of interest may occur. And disagreement refers to the individuals and group. They may disagree how to interpret, apply, and balance the moral reasons in particular situations. So these are generally applied to, or these are general complexity related to ethical problems, and specific issues we have discussed with respect to civil engineering scenario. So these 3 points can be added as a concluding session towards the answer to this particular question. All of this you are going to see in your future studies also, in your professional life also, especially the term conflict of interest. You are going to come across with that term whenever you are going to refer some journals, or whenever you are trying to write some journal, or whenever you are going to do some work. You need to make the declaration regarding conflict of interest, that you have to declare that there is no conflict of interest in my work, or something like that you have to provide. So thank you very much.